Hello, how are you doing? This is Dan and this is Dan Tech Channel. In this video, let's just talk about the trending topic about that is Forex being scam, and what part actually is scam, because not all part are a scam. So this is what we're going to talk about this video, and I hope you're just going to like it. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let's start right after the intro of this video. Usikat. Hello and welcome back. So let's just talk about these things being about all the scams that we have been hearing and all over there. And actually here we are just talking about what we hear about Binary.com, FXPesa option, derivative, and actually those things are very connected. And why am I talking about binary and all those things being scam? Actually those are the brokers, and that not that like they are not scam. Binary is not .com is not a scam, derivative is not a scam, and also FXPesa option is not a scam. Now what becomes scam over there is what we call retail trading. So the retailers are the people who actually are helping people to trade, the people who are selling people bots and all that. But actually these things actually are very tricky, very tricky, because when you talk about Binary.com, when we talk about binary trading, we are talking about two. So if you just maybe standard biology, I always say these things: buy means two or twice. So maybe when you just want to trend these things, when you are trending all these things, you are trending two options: whether market is going up or down, whether market rising or falling. And sometimes when we get where you have to choose two options, that is to select whether the number is odd or even number. So you can see you always have two options, and disadvantage number one is always that you have that time limit. So you are time limit bounded. So that means you cannot have a long time, just like forex trading, where you can just trend all the time you just want. And sometimes it feels like it's just like gambling, something like that, and that's how some people just go trade. And what I say is that you can make gold and multiply your capital even 100 times overnight, and you can even lose your capital full night when you are trading on the Binary.com. So on the platform that just do all these binary things that is trending on the binary, we are talking about derivative.com, binary.com, FXPesa option. So those are the main big platforms that are just known for trending. And this platform, actually these brokers have offered a platform where you can just actually upload the bot, upload the robot to trade for you. And when we are talking about the robot trending for you, this bot thing, we are talking about the program. So those people who have done actually these things about programming, you know, programming is, yeah, you just put the cons and then you just program something or computer, and you say that this is how I want the market to be, this is how I want these things to go for me. And when these things happen, then that is time you're getting profit or the losses and all that. But you know the reason I don't like those bots and all that, but you can trust me that is almost 99% of the bots that are available in the market, they don't work. Maybe that is your shock. But you know, on the binary trading, as I was saying, they offer that option of uploading your bot. Anybody can just upload the bot. So sometimes, you know, you can just have someone who has programmed the bot, that is the program last year, and then he just sell you that bot and he expecting you to maybe that bot to work for you, and that cannot work because that was last year, and now the market is just different this year. You know what, sometimes those people actually, they don't even rely on trending with those bots. If their bot is working, why don't they sell to the company? Why don't they sell to this farming company, the market company, and then they're just going to buy them those bots at expensive price? No, their way of making money, the way they make money actually is by selling to so many people those boats that is 20,000, and that's how they actually afford those to buy baby cars and all that. And then they just lure your mind to tell you that maybe they are making money out of trading with that boat, but you know, they're making money out of selling those bots. So actually there's a lot of scams when it comes to binary trading, that is option trading, we can just call it. I'm not attacking any platform, but that's how things are. All those brokers are legit, but when it comes to tail trading, that where scam people are coming from. So most of the time, if you have heard about option, if someone is trying to teach you all those option thing, just know there's chances of 99% that you're going to be scammed over there, or maybe you're going to experience a scam over there. So I don't know whether there is another question, because I've talked about this more than one time. So if you have any question, or maybe you just want to learn forex trading, because forex is not actually like betting other. If you just have knowledge that you're just going to make good amount of money when you're trading forex trading. If you have any question, or maybe just want to know about the forex trading, I will leave the link in the description over there, so that you can just register with the broker that I'm using. Or if you have any question, specific question that you just have, leave in the comment section. After even registering to the broker I'm using over here, you can register. You can WhatsApp me. Actually, on the WhatsApp, my number is down one over there, and we just communicate all more, so that you can receive the classes that I always run every week. So with that, further ado, let's just see you in the next video. Make sure that you subscribe to this video, like and share to your friends that share the knowledge over here. See you next time.